Welcome to 7th Wellness. Avocados may be small in size, but this humble fruit packs a lot of nutrition. For those looking to get the most out of their food and lead healthier lives, adding avocado to your diet can offer some amazing health benefits. This video looks at the remarkable health benefits you can gain from eating an avocado. High nutrient content. Avocado is one of the more nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and it is an excellent source of vital nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. It is also rich in healthy dietary fats, most of which come from monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Avocado is a good source of B vitamins, which help to maintain proper brain and nerve functioning. Weight control. Eating foods that make you feel fuller for longer can help with weight control, and avocado definitely falls into this category. It is high in fiber, which helps to slow digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Avocado also has the ability to reduce cravings and provide lasting energy throughout the day. Digestive health. Avocado is packed with dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining digestive health. Furthermore, its fatty acids have been linked with improved digestive function, regular bowel movements, and smoother digestion. Folate also plays an important role in digestion, as it helps with cell growth, metabolism, and various other body processes. Cardiovascular benefits. The high monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids found in avocado can help keep cholesterol levels in check, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition, the potassium found in avocado can help lower blood pressure, further benefiting your cardiovascular health. Reduced risk of cancer. Avocado is an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. It has been found to be effective in preventing some types of cancer, including certain types of breast and prostate cancer. So, if you're looking to get the most out of your food and lead a healthier life, consider incorporating avocado into your diet. With its high nutrient content, potential weight control and digestive health benefits, and reduced risk of cancer, it's clear that avocado offers remarkable health benefits.